Hi, this is Rob Lawrence from SolveTech. So I'm going to take you through the steps to install the new Windows 10 version of the PR2000 software, the .NET version. You can see I have the old version of the software on this computer, and we're going to transfer over some of the key files from the old version into the new version. And yeah, let's get started. So I have the software on a thumb drive, and I'm going to open it, and I am going to copy this software onto the desktop. Okay, so then I can exit out of that. I'm done with that. I'm going to open this. Now there's a setup here. I'm going to right click and go run as administrator. Say yes, allow it to run. Now it'll go through the installer. Next, install. Now this isn't going to write over any of the old software files from the old program, so you don't have to worry about that. Go ahead and finish. Now I can see I've got a new .NET version of the Profiler software. Okay, now when I open the new software, I don't have a profiler connected, that's why I got that error. You can see that when I go into the Cal screen, I don't have anything in here in the recipe structure. It's also possible that I won't have any templates either, so when I open this template, I won't see anything in the template files. So I'm going to show you how you can transfer over the recipes and the template files. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to the search box here and go show hidden files. And you're going to have to select show hidden files and also uncheck hide protected, and you hit a thing, and then you hit apply and hit OK. Now it's going to allow me to see these files that I need to transfer over. Now we're going to go through the calibration files. I'm going to click I'm going to search the C drive, and I'm going to search PR2000 calib. PR2000 calib. Okay, so now we have our search results, and we're going to see a couple different files here. Now the one that's the new one is going to be in Program Data SolveTech PR2000. So that is the new calibration file that the new software references, and that's the one we're going to have to replace with the old one. The old one is going to be in Program Files x86, as you can see right here. So that's the one that I want to open. So when I open that, I can see all the text files here, and this is the situation. So I'm going to copy this file. Next, I'm going to open my C drive, and I'm going to go into Program Data, which is one of those grayed out folders that you can't see unless you did that other step. And then you're going to go into SolveTech PR2000, and here's the old calib file, and I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to paste the new one. Okay, so now when I open up the software, and I go into the cal screen, you should see all these different calibrations. So I had a successful transfer of the calibrations. And that's going to be the same basic procedure if you're going from a Windows 7 computer to a Windows 10. Instead of copying pasting it on one computer, you'll just move it from one computer to another. Okay, so the last thing you may want to do is move over your template files. So when you open your old software and you go for Open as Template, you can see I've got 3 template files here. But when I open the new software, and I go to Open as Template, I can see I don't have those template files. So now I'm going to go through how to transfer over template files if you need to transfer over a template file. Open up the old software, go to File, Open as Template. I got 3 template files. I'm going to transfer this one here. Open. I'm going to go to File, Save as Template. Now I'm going to change the location to the new location. And I'm going to just name it what it was named before, template 1, save. Okay, so now when I go into the new software, open as template, I can see I got template 1 right there, and it transfers right over. Okay, so that's all. You can do that for each template file. If you have the template files saved in a different location, you can copy and paste them into the new location as well. That's another option.